Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zoho People with Zoho Payroll. Alright, so first up, go log into your admin account. Now, once done, go to the top right, click on the gear icon. Click on it. Now go ahead and find Marketplace. Click on Marketplace. Now in here, in these tabs at the top, you can click on Zoho. Alright, and once done, as you can see here, we have Zoho Payroll. Okay, so what you do is just click on Configure. And then go ahead and click on Add Existing Payroll Organization. Just basically select your organization. Or if you haven't got any Zoho Payroll organization yet, you can go ahead and click on Add New Payroll Organization. Okay, wait for it to load. Now in here, just go ahead and fill in the form. Okay, organization name, answer ASAP, business location, maybe USA, industry right here, education. All right, a phone number right here, and the time zone. Just basically scroll down and hit on agree, save and continue. And after that, it will ask you to choose the employee type that you want to sync. Also, it will ask you to decide if you want to include employee profiles and enable employees to access Zoho Payroll and their payslips for the self-service page. Just basically configure it however you want, and after that, you're good to go. But that is how you connect Zoho People with Zoho Payroll. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.